Holy frickin' shit. Whose brother's fucking cousin? Holy. For fuck's sakes. He's got one part of the emblem hanging on for dear fucking life here, ladies and gentlemen. I respect it. I'd rather see that than some fucking gay wheels on a fucking truck. Let's be honest. What a fucking unit. He's got the fucking steering wheel knob, fucking everything. Alrighty. First gen tip of the day. We got one coming in hot right away. So, if you don't have yourself a set of these fucking sockets and you work on old shit, you're fucking shooting yourself in the foot, because this hotter than fuck still. Holy shit. Okay, we'll pick that up in a second here, boys. We got a fucking stick or something. But she's hotter than the fucking gates of hell still, so look at that. You're telling me you'd have got that with something else? You're fucking having a laugh. Holy fuck. Worth their weight in gold. Cost me $100. They're already fucking paid for themselves. Let's go. These fucking things work awesome. And for those of you wondering why I keep fucking blipping it, a fucking impact wrench has the most amount of torque on the first fucking jolt, or whatever the fuck you want to call it, because after that you're just spinning the anvil. Fucking shit hasn't seen grace since Vietnam. Holy fucking, right in the garbage you go. Fucking rights, boys. We got her all torn down. Quick little another tip. If you're beating out races and you want to be a real racist, no, for real though, heat it up in one spot. Just one spot for a good fucking 2 minutes. It's gonna open the fucking, it's gonna open that hole, and then you get yourself a big bar. You don't want to use a little bar because it's not gonna have the fucking velocity to fucking, I don't know, something about the big bar. If you use the little fucking punch, you're just gonna cut a hole in the race and you're not gonna be able to fucking bang it out in one piece. So use a big bar. Alrighty. So we tore down this axle. We beat out the races. Got the axle tubes out. Fucking look at this shit. Holy. We did the new gasket. We gotta replace this stud mount, but I'm gonna take one off this one right here, so that'll be no problem. We got the extended brake mount mod. So all we really need is some leaf springs, then we can pop it back in, and then we're gonna just build it around the rustiness, and then we're gonna get it all sandblasted, because there's no sense in fucking, I'll hand clean all the anything this way and over, fucking hand bomb all that stuff, and then we'll slap it back together. This old little diesel fucking just gets the job fucking done every time. Yeah, what a gem. She's got her fucking quirks, but you can't ask for more than that, man. Mini truck helping the big trucks. Nice. Just a quick touch up on these items here. Give this one another little spray. Not too shabby, boys. Holy fuck, there's a fuel sender under there. Holy fuck. Wow. And there's a fuel tank underneath us. Would you believe it? And I know what you're thinking. Why the fuck is he cleaning the gas tank? It's just gonna get dirty again. Well, you know what? It's gonna fucking look real nice. Big fucking shout outs to Breed and hooking this up. Holy fuck, what a beauty. Not too shabby. This must have been like concrete or something. Barely wants to come off, but we're getting her. We're getting her licked here, ladies and gentlemen. Fuck, she cleans up good. She cleans up good, young boy. Look at that. I bet you didn't see this coming and you're like, hey there, fuel tank. Pretty fucking good if I say so myself. Got her all capped off. Now let's go see how she fucking... So this is a club cab tank. It's gonna be a bigger tank on a single cab. And you're saying, oh, but that doesn't fit. Welcome to First Gen Auto. We fucking get her to fit no matter what. Alrighty, so we got the one-man process going on here. We just got her ratchet strapped up. We're gonna see how she fits in here. Seems to me like you can run a club cab tank on a fucking single cab. It's not gonna be an issue. Looking pretty good, boys. Seems to me that you can run a club cab first gen tank on your truck. Fucking rights, boys. Seems like we're not gonna have any issues here. We got a club cab tank and a single cab. So we'll make up some straps. And that's Uncle Bob, ladies and gentlemen. Drive shaft gonna run right there. Gonna take this fucking hanger mount off. Drive shaft will run right through here. That still has room to go over a little bit. Ugh. So that's how it's gonna sit. Fucking beauty, boys. So we just yanked out our old fuel spout. You can see here she filled a tank or two. This one's still usable, but we had this up on the old. Alrighty, so we got her licked with the with a new fuel spout, or we reused the original because they're the same size fucking hole. So that's fitted in there. We're gonna make our own straps because the factory ones are fucking junk. We're gonna make them out of some nice galv or whatever. We're gonna make them out of something real nice, thick stuff, like we always do, and then we'll get her fucking we'll get her mounted, boys. Tank cleaned up good. Can't ask for much more than that, boys. Again, shout outs to fucking Braden. What a fucking gem. Hooking up the fucking tank. Much appreciated, buddy. She's gonna see many fucking gallons of diesel in her life. Alrighty, so this truck was 2-wheel drive. We converted it to 4-wheel drive just to get any of you guys up to speed. If you haven't seen my other videos, go back, you'll see all that. But what we've just done is the cross member had to sit there for the gas motor with the 727, but now we're going to a Cummins with a 727, so this is gonna have to come this way. So we've unbolted it, and she's just floating. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the motor in next. I'm gonna bolt the trans. We'll put the trans on the motor. We'll put it all in at once, and then we'll get it on in the front. We will jack stand the back, and then we'll deviate where we're gonna put the mount, and then we'll drill it with the motor in place so that we can basically get it bang on, and then we'll drill it and bolt it right in the same spot, because we're gonna need to know our driveline angle. So we're gonna have to basically mock it up to see if our driveline angle is good. If not, I'm gonna take this plate out, and then we're gonna bolt it right to the cross member. That's a mouthful, but I hope you're picking up what I'm laying down here, ladies and gentlemen. All right, alrighty. So we got her mocked out how we like it with straps. It's holding it nice. We've got rubber insulator softeners all along each strap. I don't know if you guys can see those, but it's this stuff here, we've slid it underneath so that there's no contact of any sharp rusty metal touching the tank. It's just an extra precaution. Looking pretty good though. Doesn't look like the drive shaft's gonna interfere at all. Fucking piece of wood in the way there, boys. Sorry, let me get it out the way for you. Driveline angle looking good. So if you haven't been paying attention, that's a single cab tank. Or sorry, a club cab tank in a single cab. Beautiful. Alrighty, so we got our custom leaf spring mounts all anti-seized up real nice. Torque to spec, so those are 3/8 plate. Basically, it's going to allow us to have the nicer arch. And then I'm still debating whether we're going to drop this front. I don't even think it matters because it's going to have such an amount of lift on it. We are getting there, boys, one piece at a time. And it didn't cost me a dime. You'll know it's me when coming through your town. Another fucking quick tip. We're just getting the pre-soak going on. We're gonna deal with these on the next episode, but we're just gonna pre-soak them. I don't know if it's gonna work. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it helps us. But also, we're done the cleanup. And we've fucking successfully recovered another patient here. She was fucking on her deathbed. Neglected, left in the field. Ready to fucking... She was left. But we fixed her all up here, boys. We had to tap a nut. We had to tap a screw on this fucking thing. We had to fucking buy a set of special sockets to get the things out. But we've successfully recovered another patient. Dr. Zach is, he's taking care of another fucking lost soul here, ladies and gentlemen. We're not fully out of fucking shit creek, but, we're making our way. We are making our way. So keep your fucking stick on the ice. And remember, if it was fucking easy, everyone would do it, and then it would be fucking gay. So, go for the hard job. And get her going, because the sweeter the fruit, the higher the branch. Alright, keep your stick on the ice.